Papa are going outside their house to look out at their garden. While Mother Angie checking her garden, he didn't notice that Iman are not beside her. He just checking his plants, while Iman is going up the form still bar. While Mother Angie is so panicked, he is searching Iman.
Where's Iman?
Iman fell down in the seed still bar, and then suddenly he got a small wound on his feet. Their loved ones figured in an accident and sustained only minor injuries like wound. Always remember, if the bleeding does not stop or there is a foreign object in the wound, you may call emergency medical services. But if the bleeding stops and the scrape is free from dirt, you can do it with your own. Clean it by your own. If the wound was contaminated by dirt, rinse it with running water. You may also use alcohol-free wipes. Alcohol-free wipes or cotton with non-alcohol. Then you should clean it with handle and put a clean swab, gauze or a gauze swab or cotton. Put it. Then avoid touching wound itself. Clean the sides, the cut from time to time to prevent infection. So, when you cleaning a wound, avoid touching itself to prevent any bacterial infection. Clean it with handle to avoid any cause of infection. If your patient had a fracture during an accident, support the injured limb to prevent any further damage. Then, if there is a wound, apply pressure around the wound to control any bleeding. Support the injured area using a triangular bandage, or you may use a cloth serve as padding. Support the fractured limb. Just like this, put it. Then, the fracture in the area can be secured with a sling also. So, you can use a sling. Put the injured limb slowly on the fractured limb or in the damaged area.